It unscrews from the top. So we got our board with all the gold stuff on it. That's what you guys do. Let's unscrew some of this stuff first. Oh, the magnet. There you go. Yeah, so I'd already unscrewed it. The arm. This is being held by the magnets. Alright, let's get the copper. Go, we got the copper out. And let's get this platter opened, which should be easy because it's only screwed down by screws. There you go. And the motor screwed down, so we can get that out. There you go. Unscrew the last magnet. Alright, so that's pretty much everything. So if we do the math on all this, let's see how much we'll end up. See how much we'll end up with. All right. Let's do the steel, which is probably not going to be a lot. All the screw bits and all of that. I get about, I think, 5 cents a pound or something like that. 4 cents a pound for steel. Not much, but everything counts. I also don't do steel anymore, just because I don't have the space for it to like kind of hoard it and bring it all at once. But when I used to bring it, I used to get about 4 cents, 5 cents, somewhere there. Not much more. So look at that. Even with all the screws, you get about 2 ounces worth of screws, 1.7-ish. So we're talking about a very minimal amount. Times point, say 4 cents. So we're talking about less than a penny worth of steel here. But obviously you accumulate, you'll bring 100 pounds and you know, it ends up being worth it. So let's do this, 0.004 cents for the steel. The magnets, we had said, was about 20 cents a pair, but we didn't have many pairs, so we'll just pair them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. We have about $1 worth of magnets.